In this video, I will going to talk about what are those requirements that you need to comply if you want to get married here in the Philippines with your foreign partner. So this is based on our experience with my American husband when we got married here in the Philippines last 2023. These are those requirements that I will going to share to you guys nung kami ay ikinasal dito sa Pilipinas. So, this video guys is just to share you some ideas and some tips kasi nga hindi naman lahat ng nakapag-partner ng foreigner is only came from USA and maraming foreigner. So, first requirements na kinuha namin sa akin and also sa partner ko is our birth certificate. Dapat magkuha ka talaga ng birth certificate or ipakuha mo talaga ang partner mo ng birth certificate kasi that is one of the requirements that you need to pass. And then, the second one is Sanomar. So, saan mo ba ito kukunin, guys? Kukunin mo ito sa PSA, magkuha ka ng Sanomar mo at saka sa partner mo. Kasi hindi mo alam baka married na siya dito. Tapos, nagpakasal kayo, so, di ba? Kasi pag nalaman mo na married pala siya dito, tapos hindi niya sinabi sa'yo, so, malalaman mo pag magkuha ka na ng Sanomar. And don't forget that you really need to make it sure guys that all your spelling sa name mo and sa parents niya are both correct. Kasi pag hindi, so I don't know what will happen. And then the third one is IDs. Either passport bio page, your passport bio page, and your partner passport bio page. And dapat, don't forget that you need to put signature. Kasi nga pag walang signature, hindi siya valid. So, and I think alam nyo na yan. Alam nyo na yan. And then the fourth one is, this is just, I think, some major requirements that must need to comply with your partner and you na kailangan nyo nang ipasa. And I don't know yung iba pa, kasi nga mag-iiba-iba naman yung mga, iba-iba naman yung hihingian nila sa atin. And, yeah. So, I don't know how, if we are the same, kasi nga US, Asia. And these requirements called the legal capacity to contract marriage. So, kukunin ng partner ko ito sa US Embassy, whether sa kanila or dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yung sa amin is kinuha namin sa US Embassy Cebu. And we went there to just to get that paper. And yun yung pinasa namin sa LCR or local registrar dito sa amin. And since I came from Jensan, so doon namin pinasa. Hindi naman sa Davao, no? Kasi taga Jensan man ko. Sorry. Church wedding kami. Hindi kami civil, like sa lawyer. So, yun yung hiningi sa amin. And I don't know I don't know if sa lawyer kayo kung ano yung pinagkaibahan ng requirements na kailangan yung i-comply. And then, the last one is, nung dumating siya dito, guys, is before kasi kayo makapag-apply ng marriage certificate or marriage license, is kailangan niyo munang mag-seminar, kailangan niyo munang kasi nga, sa local, sa LCR nga, kailangan niyo munang mag-seminar, both of you, kailangan niyo munang set ng appointment. Pero yung sa amin, I remember is, hindi na kami sumama sa mga, kasi nga, magkasabay kayo lahat ng mag-apply ng marriage, for marriage certificate is, magkasabay para, mag-seminar. And it's all about marriage. Kung ano yung gagawin niyo, kasi nga, yung marriage kasi dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, is very crucial. So, when we say marriage, is kailangan talaga na dapat kayong dalawa talaga ay buo na yung loob niyong magpakasal. Buo ng loob! And then, yung sa amin, guys, is parang special counseling siya. Kasi nga, he is a foreigner. And I still remember, pagkatapos namin nag-seminar, is that is the time na pepirmahan nila yung papel nyo, tapos maipasa nyo na sa LCR, and then that time na i-approve na nila kayo sa marriage certificate. And 12 days before, I know, 12 days after nyo marireceive yung marriage license. And then after sa wedding nyo, saka na ipapasa sa PSA para magkaroon kayo ng marriage certificate. And you're married in church and you are married through paper. And then, that's all guys. This is just based on my experience, kung ano yung hiningi sa akin. And much better guys na mismo ikaw is if you are planning to get married here in the Philippines, dapat mismo ikaw magpunta sa LCR kung saan ka man, kung taga saan ka man. So much better is ask ka doon kasi nga nagbabago yung mga ano nila, yung mga regulations like that. So much better na ikaw mismo ang pupunta sa kanilang office. Thank you for watching.